So nuclear fission releases a great amount of energy. It can be used in a much more controlled way to generate electricity. And electricity generated this way, there's no air pollution, there's no greenhouse gases, we're not burning coal or anything like that. Well, yeah, it's better, but there's problems with it too. So about 20% of US electricity is generated by nuclear fission. In some countries, this is up to 70%. A pencil-sized cylinder of uranium can power a typical car for 20 years. There's a lot of energy in there. A coal-burning plant uses 2 million kilograms of fuel to make the same amount of power as 50 kilograms of fuel in a nuclear power plant. Nuclear power plants use much less fuel. I mean, it's just mind-boggling. The way they do this is the fission reaction generates heat, and that heat is used to boil water and make steam, and the steam turns turbines in an electric generator. So here we have superheated pressurized water coming out of the nuclear reactor, and that generates steam. The steam moves the turbine, which generates electricity. In the nuclear core, we have the uranium fuel cells, and we also have retractable control rods to absorb the neutrons. This fission reaction, if you get it going too fast, it will explode. It'll overheat. So we have control rods that will absorb the neutrons, and so that you can control it. You can't really turn it on and off, but you can get it to shut down. The two big drawbacks of nuclear power are nuclear accidents, which really don't happen and aren't as big of a problem as, we tend to blow them out of proportion. And then the waste disposal is definitely an issue. They still really haven't figured out what to do with the waste. They're just holding it somewhere, basically.